Hey guys, Adam from ClearBlast. We're going to go ahead and show you how to winterize your ClearBlast 450. So temperatures we're getting now cold, below zero, especially up here in the Northeast. We want to make sure that we do not freeze our equipment, causing any damage to our water pump or componentry on the machine. First, we are using a windshield washer fluid. This is currently rated for -20, but you want to make sure that it is properly rated for your environment. If it's colder than that, make sure you do have a better rated windshield washer fluid. So before we hook up our air, we want to make sure our components are closed. So we have our wash hose. You want to make sure that's closed. You want to make sure that you are in blast mode, and you also want to make sure that the abrasive dose is closed. Next, we're going to go and get our water line. This runs from your water inlet over to your pump. We have a garden hose disconnect here to make it easy to take it off. And we're going to dump that into a bucket of windshield washer fluid. At that stage, we can go ahead and hook up our air line. We have an adapter on here for our shop air. You don't need much air to do this process. You can obviously also use your normal air compressor. So with our air hooked up, we can then first go ahead and run our wash hose until we see the blue liquid. And then next, you're going to go to pressurize for a few seconds. And then last, the abrasive dose, open, closed, and depressurize. That'll open the valve on there in case it held any water. Make sure that's also released. So now all the water in the system is out, so we can go ahead and hook up our water line again. You want to make sure that this fitting is tightened up. You don't want to suck up any air into your pump while you're normally using the machine. That can tuck back up in. And then last, we're going to go ahead and open up this slurry dump valve to release any liquid out of the pot. So again, now we're completely winterized. So this machine can be stored in freezing temperatures or travel in freezing temperatures without causing any damage to the equipment itself. So again, that is the winterizing process of the CB450. I'm Adam Souls with ClearBlast. Thanks a lot.